What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have another one on MDT, Measurable Data Token, which has pumped up quite a bit. As you can see, a huge green candlestick can only mean one thing guys. It has pumped up nearly 40% in value, currently trading at 0.04138 cents. So we're going to be going through its next potential target. Where is it going to be heading to? Can it hit the 5 cents target? If so, is it time to buy it right now? Is it too late? Should you sell it on a profit, or is it just time to hold on to it? So we're going to cover both buyers and sellers point of view, and essentially looking at its prediction over the next couple of hours, days, weeks for the short term, as well as over the next couple of months and overall in 2023. Is this a cryptocurrency worth investing into? But before I get into all of that stuff guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I'm trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently on the Coinbase website. We can see the market is up just about 0.7% in the last 24 hours, nothing major. And we got MDT here as the second top gainer in the last 24 hours according to Coinbase. In the last hour itself, it has managed to drop 2%. On the daily chart, we've got 38%, and as you can see, after every pump there is a little drop, and that's exactly what's taking place right now. It pumped up earlier this evening at 45%, currently dropping back down, and I'm expecting another pump over the coming hours as well. Over the week, 54%, and over the month, a massive 112% guys. As you can see, most of January was gaining value at a consistent speed. Again, nothing major, but slow and steady increase all up until earlier today, where it went for a major increase in value, which was absolutely crazy. So going into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has gone up by a massive 1,700% in the last 24 hours, making $84 million in trading, which is a huge amount of money that is currently being traded on MDT. We're seeing a lot of investors, a lot of sellers taking out their money, potentially reinvesting their profits whenever it drops back down. But yeah, at the moment MDT is going crazy, as you can clearly see by the trading volume itself. The amount of percentage increase is insane. So let's get straight into it. On the screen right now we do have the candlestick pattern chart with the MACD indicator, which I'm going to be using to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart, and at the top here we've got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, giving us the average value of MDT, which is here in purple at 0.02835. However, we can see it trading at nearly double its value here in red at 0.04109, meaning it's performing quite well and much better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors. But before I do that guys, just a little disclaimer as usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, what can we see? We've got the blue line looking bearish, heading towards the negative direction, and we do have the orange line flat out going in a straight line. Is not looking bullish or bearish guys, meaning an overall drop in value is what is expected over the coming 12 to 14 hours. So let's say by midday tomorrow we should be expecting MDT to be trading at just about 4 cents guys. It's not going to be a major drop, it is going to be very minimal. However, in between that time I am expecting it to pump up in value guys, just like what's been going on over the last couple of hours. Pump, little drop, pump, little drop. It's been a repeated cycle, and I'm expecting it to carry on over the coming hours as well. But the pump is going to be a little bit less than what it's been previously, and again it is likely to hit the 5 cents target over the coming hours before it drops back down to 4 cents by midday tomorrow. So do expect it to be quite volatile. Moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days we're looking very steep, going in a bullish direction, as you guys can clearly see here. Again, that means it's not realistic. The only reason why we're seeing steep lines heading towards the bullish direction is because of the major increase that's taken place over the last couple of hours. The graph thinks, you know what, this crypto is going to keep pumping, it's going to keep going up in value, so on and so on. However, that is not the case guys. It is not realistic over the coming days. Even though yes, I am expecting an overall increase in value, I'm not expecting a major pump or a major bull run or anything like that. First of all, over the coming, let's say 24 to 48 hours, I'm expecting it to slowly drop down in value to around 0.035, take a little step back, and then towards the end of next week, I'm expecting, or mid to end of next week, I'm expecting it to slowly gain value above the 5 cents target. So essentially what I'm trying to say is towards the end of next week, we should see MDT trading above the 5 cents target, because it is likely to take little drops in between as well. Now, moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, what can we see here? Again, the blue line is looking very steep, heading towards the positive direction, meaning once again, it is not realistic. However, the orange line is looking much more realistic. It's not looking as steep, is looking quite bullish, meaning again an overall increase in value is what is expected from MDT over the coming weeks. So here I'm talking about late March to early April 2023. I am expecting an overall increase in value from MDT, potentially heading over the 10 cents target is what I'm predicting by early April. Again, at the moment, 10 cents may seem like a major increase and so on and so on. But guys, it's all about the patience game and the time as well. If we manage to give it a good 6 to 8 weeks, I'm pretty sure we should be able to hit the 10 cents target, or even a little bit higher than that, 12 to 13 cents. However, this all depends on how the crypto market performs, especially with any major crashes or major bull runs or price bumps that may take place in between. These things can have a major impact, not just on the value of MDT, but the whole crypto market in general. But if I am able to predict such things, such as a crash or a bull run or a price bump, I will of course keep you guys updated on my Instagram page and on my YouTube channel as well, as much as I can and as soon as I can. So make sure you stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. But yeah, so far so good for MDT, guys, over the short term and the long term as well. Hopefully we can manage to maintain its pump throughout the whole year, so potentially heading towards the 50 to 55 cents target towards the very end of the year. But again, we'll still got a good 11 months for that, so yeah, there'll be plenty of videos on MDT by that time anyway. If you guys want regular updates on this crypto, let me know in the comment section down below. So going on to the Fibonacci scale, we are getting closer and closer to hitting the resistance target. As you guys can see here, it's at 6 cents, and I'm expecting us to hit the 6 cents target over the next 3 to 4 weeks. So let's say towards the early March, I'm expecting MDT to be hitting the resistance target and potentially break out into the green zone by mid to late March as well. But again, that's my predictions as of right now. This may change according to market conditions and so on. But yeah, that is pretty much it, guys, for today's video. Just a quick one on MDT. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, as I'm trying to hit 100k subscribers by the end of the year. So it would mean a lot if you guys can please hit that subscribe button, and it's free to subscribe, so why not help me out? And also, I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot. And yeah, make sure to subscribe, like, share, comment, and all of that stuff, guys. And I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today. Until then, take care and peace.